You'll take that, you see that bolt right there? There's one on the other side, and it is 3/8, and you'll unhook your cable. So to get this belt out, you may have to get a 1/2-inch socket. Well, you won't get a ratchet in here. Get a wrench. There's a bolt right there where my finger is, and one right down below it, 1/2-inch. Then you can loosen this off. Welcome. Come on in, make yourself at home. Kick that subscribe button, leave a comment. You'll need this one pushed as well and tied, because the plate that comes up to meet the drive wheel, that plate is hard to get the belt between the nuts. So when you push this, it separates and gives you enough room to get the belt down in between. Okay, and get your belt out. Then you're going to take this bolt, this one, and this one. I just got that last one to do. And you will take the belly pan off. You want to, since you're by yourself, if you're like me, you want to put something, some string or tape your auger handle, because, okay, you see that right there, right? That's that brake. Where that little bend in there, when you let go of the handle, that will hit the belt and stop the auger from moving. So because now you got the handle pushed down with the string, you can try and work that belt in on the bottom here. Now that you got your belt around the pulley, and I got the belt by the brake, so I let go of the handle. So now that's going to keep your belt in place. Okay, and now we can set her down. The belt is there. I loosen this off, like I said. Now it's around the thing, around the pulley. I got the brake let go, so it's holding there. Now, I don't know if you can see. Let's see here. You see that bolt that's shining there now? It's going to get caught up on that. So make sure, you know, if you're thinking, oh, this belt's not fitting, you're pulling and everything, you might pull it off the pulley again. But just so you know, there's that bolt sticking out there. All you got to do is slowly pull the engine over, make sure it's turned off and all that, and just walk that belt on. Okay, be right back. Tip her up and put the belly pan and guard there on. There you go. All right. Focus. Nothing wrong with that. That's still good. You still got, I don't know, you probably still got another year out of that yet. For this particular machine, it's the auger belt is like this. This will fit. We're going to revamp now. You take your guard off, tip it up, take your belly pan off. You can push this down because it gives you an extra gap between the pulley and the nut for the drive. And then you can just pull your belt out or cut it off. I just cuts it off usually. Then you can just keep this down, take your new belt, and you can kind of, because the belt is a little stiff, you can get it down between that little gap that you got, usually no problems. Then you can release this. Then you want to tie this down, right? Tip it up, put your belt around the pulley and where it should be, and on this model it's got that little brake like I showed you. And then when it's all set, you can let go of this, and that brake is going to hold the belt. If you tip her down too hard, the belt will kind of come off the other side of the pulley. So put it down gentle, Then you come and you got this released. You just put it between your keeper. Make sure your idler pulley is good, and you won't get it on. You'll get it halfway on. Then you're going to just walk it on slowly. Make sure she's turned off, and blah blah blah, and all that good stuff. All right. Thanks, guys. If you enjoyed this video in any way, if it helped you at all, don't forget it's a 1/2 inch by 36 V-built. Don't forget that. And yeah, hit the subscribe button if it helped you. If you like it, hit thumbs up, and see you on the next one.